Welcome back to Dad's Expensive Hobbies, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we're taking a closer look at a sleek and legendary piece from Jada's Pink Slip series, the 124 scale Porsche 911 GT3 RS, the 996 generation. Right out of the box, this Porsche stands out with its pearl white finish and signature GT3 RS side graphics in teal. The carbon fiber patterned hood adds that perfect touch of race-bred aggression. Up front, you've got the distinct 996 headlights that Porsche fans know all too well, paired with clean body lines that scream performance. Rolling on deep-dish black 5-spoke wheels with chrome lips, the stance on this one is wide and planted, making it look track-ready even at 124 scale. Around the back, the oversized RS wing completes that motorsport look. It's bold, it's functional, and it fits the GT3 RS perfectly. One of the coolest things about this Jada diecast is how interactive it is. The front trunk opens to reveal the storage compartment, while the rear engine cover lifts up to show off a teal-painted motor with chrome accents. A nice pop of detail that really brings this piece to life. Both doors swing open, giving you a full look at the racing-style bucket seats, teal roll cage, and interior detailing. Inside, Jada really nailed the race-ready look. You've got bright teal sport seats that match the roll cage, a detailed dashboard, and a steering wheel setup that looks track-inspired. The combination of black and teal throughout the interior gives it that custom tuner vibe, which ties in perfectly with the Pink Slips line. So whether you're a Porsche fan, a collector of Jada Pink Slips, or just someone who appreciates die-cast cars with attitude, this 124 scale Porsche 911 GT3 RS is a standout piece that belongs in any collection. That's all we've got for today, but don't go too far. Next time here on Dad's Expensive Hobbies, we'll be spinning this Porsche Carrera GT on the turntable, but in the meantime, I invite you to check out our other videos right here on the channel. So until next time, keep on die-casting and God bless.